In this video, I'll be unboxing the prize package I received from Namaste Foods. I just want to say thank you to the Pretty Bee blog for this giveaway of this wonderful Namaste gift box. Look in the description box below the video for the links to the Pretty Bee blog and Namaste Foods. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, I'm excited to open the box for the first time. First, we have a gluten-free pasta dinner. And we have a gluten-free barbecue coating mix. That'll be nice. And next, oh, a brownie mix. And a yellow cake mix. Now I know that they're organic, gluten-free, and allergen-free also. And what else do we have? We have a vegetable soup mix, gluten-free. And ooh, a cake cup. So it's like a cupcake that you can bake, cinnamon sugar. What else? Oh, it looks like we have a nice carrying bag. Cool. And then in the bottom, a whole bunch of recipe cards. Very nice. I had a really fun time with this unboxing today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you'd like me to make one of these in another video. So see you next time.